All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of V Electronics, and in this video, we're going to be talking about our Venn diagrams. Okay, now, Venn diagrams are used to show similarities and dissimilarities between two groups or associations, okay, or two groups of people. Okay, so if you have, let's say, a group that plays baseball and a group that plays soccer, okay, you can show what they have in common, okay, and how they're different. Okay, so let's say, for example, in a college or university, you've got 40% that play soccer. Okay, so let's say this is 40%. Okay, this is soccer. All right, and let's say you've got roughly 50%, okay, that play, okay, baseball. So this is 50% that play baseball. All right, and 10%, okay, let's say this is 10% over here. Okay, they play both soccer and baseball. So this is both soccer and baseball. Okay, so now if you wanted to figure out the probability, we know that okay, 10% of the students play both soccer and baseball. This is something they have in common. However, okay, the rest of them, the 90% of those students, okay, they play either one of the sports. Okay, so if you wanted to figure out the probability and you wanted to figure out the probability that somebody might end up playing soccer if they enrolled in that college or university, okay, then basically what you need to do is write the notation. So let's say P at S, okay, this is equal to 0.40, okay, because 40% plays soccer. And if you wanted to write the notation for baseball, you wanted to figure out the probability of somebody ending up playing baseball if they enrolled in that college or university. Okay, this is P at B, baseball. This is 50%, so 0.50. Okay, so now that we've got these two over here, okay, we want to figure out the probability of students who end up playing both the sports. Okay, so over here we're going to say P, S, N, N stands for both the sports. Okay, so this is P. All right, so in this case, this will be okay, 0.05. Okay, because 5% of each category, okay, they play both the sports. All right. Um, Now, if you wanted to figure out the conditional probability, okay, so let's say you wanted to figure out, okay, the probability that the students play soccer given the condition that they also play baseball. Okay, so in that case, to figure out your conditional probability, okay, so this is P, okay, soccer, conditional probability baseball. This equals P SNT all over P. Okay, I can say P, S, and B rather, excuse me. P, S, and B, soccer and baseball, all over P, baseball. Okay, so S and B, we know that it was 0.05. Okay, that's 5% of each group that play both the sports. Divide by your P at B. So we know P at B was 50%. So this will be 0.50. Okay, and now you simply do the math. Okay, this comes around zero point 0.1. So basically, you're saying overall, 10% people within that college, 10% of those university or college students play both baseball, okay, and soccer. Okay, they play soccer given the condition that they play baseball. Same story. All right. So that would be it when it comes to your Venn diagram. On behalf of V Electronics, this is Obey. Have yourself a great day.